Hi, I'm Stacy. Welcome to the barn guest house. And I'm gonna take just a few minutes to show you how to unfold the love seat sofa bed. So first thing you need to do is move this coffee table out of the way, and it slides. So pull it over. Everything in here slides. All right, I'm gonna move these pillows. Okay, so first thing you do is pull out the bottom, just straight out. There you go. Let's just move this for a second. And this actually unfolds and becomes the mattress. The mattress pad is right here. I'm gonna pull this down. Okay, and then you just simply pull your mattress pad up to cover this area and fold that down. And the bedding for this bed is inside the coffee table. So you open this up, all the bedding and the pillow are right here in this bag. Just for your information, on the other side, there are some board games and an extra set of sheets that you shouldn't need to use. Okay, thank you.